Most English learners think I have to go is perfectly polite. But here's the truth. In a real conversation with native speakers, that phrase often feels abrupt, even rude. Today we're going to fix that.
Oh, I definitely need this one. I've definitely said I have to go and then felt like the conversation got awkward.
And that awkward feeling, you're not imagining it. By the end of this episode, you'll have 3 natural phrases that let you exit any conversation gracefully and leave the other person feeling good about it.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speak Like a Native. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Let's get into it.
So Maya, I feel like this is one of those things nobody actually teaches you in English class. I remember studying. I have to go in school, and I used it all the time. But then when I actually talked to native speakers,
It felt off, right?
exactly, like I was being rude or something.
You were not being rude, but you were being direct. And in English, especially in social situations, directness can come across as cold. Let me give you a scenario. Imagine you're at a friend's party. You've been chatting with someone for a while, and now you're ready to leave. If you say, "Okay, I have to go," what message does that send?
I guess it sounds like I'm done with this person.
Exactly right. It sounds like you're ending the conversation because of them, like you don't want to talk anymore. But what if the real reason is just that it's getting late, or you need to wake up early?
Right. Usually it's not about the person at all.
So that is our first big insight today. The phrase "I have to go" focuses on you. It's all about your need, and that can feel a little self-centered. Today's first key phrase shifts the focus to the other person.
Ooh, I'm curious. What is it?
I should let you go?
I should let you go. Say that again?
I should let you go? Let's break it down. I should, that means it's a good idea, not a demand. Let you go, that means I am releasing you. The focus is on you. Like you probably have things to do, so I'm being polite by not keeping you.
So instead of I need to leave, it's like you probably need to leave too, so I'm being considerate.
Perfect. That is exactly the spirit. Let's practice. Imagine you and I are at a coffee shop. We've been talking for an hour. I say,
Okay, ready.
"Well, Leo, it was great catching up, but I should let you go. I know you have an early meeting tomorrow."
That sounds so natural. It makes me feel like you care about my time.
Exactly. The other person feels respected. Now you try. Say it to me.
Okay. It was really nice talking to you, Maya. I should let you go. I don't want to keep you too long.
That was great. A little formal, but totally natural. One small tweak. Instead of, "It was really nice talking to you," we'd more often say, "It was great chatting," or "Great talking to you."
It was great chatting. That's shorter too.
Yes. And that brings us to our second key phrase. It was great chatting.
So that's how you start the goodbye.
Exactly. You open with a positive statement about the conversation, then you use "I should let you go." Then for the perfect finish, you add the third phrase, "We should do this again."
We should do this again. That sounds so friendly.
It is. It leaves the door open for future connection. It tells the other person, "I enjoyed this and I'd like to repeat it. Let me show you the full sequence."
Please.
So we're at a party. We've been talking about travel for 15 minutes. I look at my watch casually and I say, "Hey, it was great chatting about your trip to Japan. I should let you go, but we should do this again sometime."
Wow. That's so smooth.
Right? You said 3 things. 1, you enjoyed the conversation. 2, you're being considerate of their time. 3, you want to stay connected. All in about 10 seconds.
And none of that is in the standard textbook English, right? Textbooks teach goodbye, it was nice to meet you.
Which is fine for a first meeting. But for someone you've been talking to for a while, a friend, a colleague, someone at an event, the "nice to meet you" sounds like you're ending a business transaction, not a social connection.
I see. So the 3 phrases are, it was great chatting, I should let you go, and we should do this again. Can we practice a full example?
Absolutely. Let's do a role play. I'm you, you're the other person. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, so we bump into each other at a bookstore. "Hi, Leo. Fancy seeing you here?"
Maya, hey, are you looking for anything in particular?
"Just browsing. But honestly, I was hoping to run into someone interesting. How have you been?"
I've been good. Busy with work, but good. And you?
Pretty good. Actually, I just started a new yoga class. It's been really challenging but fun.
Oh, I've been thinking about trying yoga. Maybe you can tell me about it sometime.
Okay, good setup. Now I need to leave. I've been here about 3 minutes, Leo. What do I say?
You say, "It was great chatting, Maya. I should let you go. We should do this again."
Huh, almost perfect. But who's talking?
Oh, I'm Leo, so I say, "It was great chatting, Maya. I should let you go. We should do this again."
Exactly right. Let's hear it one more time.
It was great chatting, Maya. I should let you go. We should do this again, sometime.
Beautiful. And notice you added sometime at the end, which makes it even more natural. We should do this again sometime.
So, sometime is optional but friendly?
Yes, it makes the invitation less concrete, more general. It's like saying maybe in the future. It takes the pressure off because if you say let's do this again next week, that's a real commitment. Sometime is a nice warm wish without a deadline.
Got it. So, what about other situations, like at work? Can I use these phrases with my boss?
Great question. Yes, but with slight adjustments. With a boss, you want to be a bit more formal. Instead of, it was great chatting, say, it was great speaking with you. Instead of, I should let you go, you might say, I don't want to take up too much of your time.
So, for work, it was great speaking with you. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but let's follow up on this soon.
Perfect. That's professional and polite. Now, here is a common mistake that learners from different language backgrounds make. Let's talk about Spanish and Arabic speakers first.
Okay, I'm listening.
In Spanish and Arabic cultures, goodbyes can be very long and warm. People might say goodbye 5 or 6 times. Okay, bye, take care, God be with you, see you later, bye. In English, if you do that, it can feel a bit much.
Wait, really? I thought being warm was always good.
Being warm is good, but in English, the beauty is in being concise. You say your goodbye once, maybe 2 phrases, and then you actually leave. If you keep adding goodbyes, the conversation drags on and it becomes awkward.
So, Spanish speakers might say, "Okay, well, it was really nice. I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye for now. See you soon." And that feels unnatural.
Exactly. And for Chinese speakers, the opposite problem. Many Chinese speakers I've worked with skip the warm opening. They go straight to, I have to go or I need to leave now.
Because in Chinese culture, maybe it's more direct.
In some contexts, yes. But in English, that directness can seem cold. So Chinese learners need to add the warm statement first. It was great chatting before the exit.
So, for Chinese speakers, add the opener. For Spanish and Arabic speakers, keep it shorter.
You got it. Now let's talk about one more scenario. What about ending a phone call? That's a whole different challenge.
Oh man, phone calls are so awkward for me.
For everyone, even native speakers. But the same principle applies. Here's a classic phone call exit. Well, I should let you go. It was great talking to you. Let's catch up properly soon.
Okay, that's good. But what if the other person keeps talking?
Then you use what I call the pre-closing signal. You say something that hints you're about to end, like well, with a pause, or anyway, with a falling tone.
Well,
Exactly. That little word well is a signal. In English conversations, well at the start of a sentence often means I'm about to wrap this up.
so I say, "Well, it was great chatting," and the other person knows to start wrapping up too.
Exactly. It's a cooperative exit. You both feel it. Now, before we practice more, let's take a quick moment. If you're finding this useful, hit that subscribe button. We put out a new episode every single day, and we want to make sure you don't miss the ones that change how you speak English.
I hit subscribe during the intro, honestly. The I have to go thing really got me.
Good. All right, let's go into the practice round. I'm going to give you a situation, and you give me the perfect exit. Situation 1. You're at a dinner party. You've been talking to a woman about her garden for about 10 minutes. You need to go say goodbye to the host. Go.
Okay, it was great hearing about your garden. I should let you go, but we should do this again sometime.
Almost there. One adjustment. You said I should let you go. But if you're both at a party, you're not really letting her go. You're both free to mingle. So in a party setting, you might say, I should probably go mingle, or I should go say hi to the host.
Ah, so it depends on the context.
Exactly. I should let you go works best when it's a one-on-one conversation and the other person might want to do something else. At a party, you might both be free, so the exit is about you shifting to a different activity.
So, it was great hearing about your garden. I'm going to go say hi to the host. Lovely meeting you.
Nailed it. And you added, lovely meeting you, which is also excellent.
Okay, give me another one.
Situation 2. A work video call with a colleague who's been talking too long. You have another meeting in 3 minutes.
Oh man, this is so real.
Right? What do you say?
I don't want to be rude. Well, it was great catching up. I should let you go. I know you have a busy afternoon.
That's good. One small upgrade. Instead of I should let you go, you might use I should probably jump or I should hop off. Those are very natural for video calls.
I should hop off? Like hop off the call?
Yes, I should hop off, but let's continue this tomorrow. Very casual, very natural.
I should hop off. That's fun. So the full thing, well, it was great catching up. I should hop off, but let's continue this tomorrow.
Perfect. You sound like a native speaker right now.
That feels really good.
One last thing I want to share, a cultural insight that very few textbooks teach.
I'm ready.
In English, the goodbye is not the end of the relationship. The goodbye is just a pause. So when you say we should do this again, you're not making a promise, you're expressing a wish. Native speakers understand that. There's no pressure.
So I shouldn't feel bad if I say we should do this again and then we don't?
Exactly. It's a social lubricant. It makes the exit feel warm. If you do meet again, great. If not, no hard feelings. But the phrase itself creates a positive ending.
That takes so much pressure off. I used to think I was lying if I said we should do this again and didn't actually plan it.
Many learners feel that way, but native speakers say it all the time without concrete plans. It's about the feeling, not the promise.
That's really helpful.
All right, Leo, let's wrap up with a final takeaway. Today's big rule: when you end a conversation, always do 3 things. 1. Say something positive about the conversation. 2. Give a polite reason for leaving that focuses on the other person. 3. Express a desire to connect again.
So, it was great chatting. I should let you go. We should do this again.
Exactly. Say that 3 times today. To yourself, in the mirror, in a real conversation. Make it automatic.
It was great chatting. I should let you go. We should do this again.
Beautiful. And with that, Leo, I should let you go.
It was great chatting, Maya. We should do this again.
We definitely will. Thanks for listening, everyone. Remember, real English for real life. We'll see you in the next episode.
See you next time.